here I am finished with another backdrop DIY for you guys, and this time it's butterflies. I don't know why I made them blue. I just loved the lighter blue color, so I decided to mix it up a little bit with a darker blue and white. I play around with colors. I laid them one on top of each other, same shape, different colors, and gave them that movement and 3D shape. And all I did is I just took my pins with pearls on top and pinned them all to the fabric. I didn't use all of my butterflies that I cut out. I decided to stop right there, and I like it. And for you guys, it's going to depend how big of a backdrop you have, how tall, how wide, how many butterflies you want to have, so keep that in mind. And I'm gonna play around with some lighting and share some pictures with you at the end of this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, one more thing, I like using pins with butterflies because you can pin and twist butterflies different ways and see what you like best and where you want your butterflies to fly. So if you like this video, as I said, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, or just come say hi, and subscribe for more videos. That's it, you guys, and I'll see you all back very soon. Bye bye.